वेलकम टू STA-B एग्ज़ाम फोरम। STA-B एग्ज़ाम फोरम में आपका स्वागत है। स्टूडेंट्स, एडमिट कार्ड आ चुका है एंड यू हैव योर एग्ज़ाम इन द नेक्स्ट वीक। सो उसी को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए वी आर ब्रिंगिंग अ फ्यू सैम्पल क्वेश्चंस ऑन क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, रीजनिंग एबिलिटी एंड जनरल इंग्लिश। ओके, सो टुडे आवर मेन टॉपिक विल बी quantitative aptitude, where we will ask you 15 questions. Okay, so before beginning this series, I would like to suggest to take a pen and notebook. Okay, so I will ask you 15 questions on quantitative aptitude and each question carries 1 mark, and all these questions have multiple choice. Okay, and like in DRDO Admin and Allied Cadre, there will be no negative marking in this exam, and I will make one counter for 10 seconds, and if you want more time you can pause the video and solve that question. Okay, and most importantly, once your exam is over, you can tell us how many marks did you get by writing in the comment box, right? So let's begin this series. So let's see the first question, and I am going to start the timer. Your time starts now. This is a very simple one, but it can take a lot of time if you do not know the shortcuts that I am going to tell you. Okay, so the very traditional method which you might follow is like this: sum of observation by total number of observation. Okay, and what is the sum of observation of first 12 natural numbers start with 1 and it ends with 12. Okay, and how many observation are there? 12. Okay, so if you add all these, your answer will be 78, and divided by 12, if you cut it down, you will get 6.5. Student, the answer is correct for sure, but it takes a lot of time. So what you should do now, you should follow some trick. What is the trick for this consecutive first 12 natural number? It is very simple. Okay, I will change the color for you. So the trick says first plus last divided by 2. Okay, first plus last divided by 2. So what is first number? It is 1. What is the last number? 12 divided by 2. So your answer is 13 by 2. 13 by 2 is what? 6.5. Correct? So I hope you understand this formula. Let's move to the next question. So let's begin the timer first. So your time starts now. It is on the mensuration part. Okay, and some trigonometry is also there. Okay, time's up. So you can see 10 seconds flies like anything. Okay, let's see the answer for this question. So what question says, if triangle ABC is right angle triangle at B, so let's make a right angle. Okay, so right angle at B means this angle will be B. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, and AB is 6 units, so this is 6, and angle C is 30 degree. Okay, so you need to find AC. So what is the length of AC? A very simple one, student. You should know the formula of sine. Okay, what is sine theta or sine 30? Sine 30 degree will be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This basic formula you should know. What is perpendicular? AB upon hypotenuse is AC. Okay, so the length of perpendicular is 6. Okay, and you need to find AC, and student, sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, so therefore your AC is 12. Okay, so those who have given 12 as their answer, they are correct. Okay, they are doing the right preparation. Okay, shall we move to the next question? Let's see the next question. So student, this is a question and I am starting the timer. This is from the mensuration part, okay, from the polygon. Student, this question is very typical one, okay, because it is based on formula, so you should know the formula for solving this question, and this question has come in the STA-B exam, okay, so you can expect in this exam as well. So just note down this formula. Formula says the sum of interior angle S is equal to 2n minus 4 into pi by 2. This is the formula, okay. So just substitute the value. Sum of angle is 1620 equal to, and you need to find out 2n minus 4. What is pi? Pi is 180 by 2, okay, this is 90 degree, okay, pi by 2 is 90 degree, correct. So this 90 comes in the down, so your answer is 1620 by 90. So let's cut it. 9 1 is 9, 9 1 is 9, 8, just 72, okay, equal to 2n minus 4. So this 4 goes there, so your total become 22 equal to 2n, therefore n equal to 11, okay. Student, option B is the correct answer. So this is the formula that you need to remember, and this is very important, okay. Shall we move to the next question? Okay, this is from the average speed. Let's begin the timer. Yes, time's up. So what does this question say? A person covers half of journey at 30 km per hour and remaining half at 20 km per hour, and the average speed of whole journey is what? So this is the distance, okay. So person cover half journey, let's say this is x, this is x, because equal journey is there, right? So it covers this distance with speed 30 km per hour and this with 20 km per hour, okay. We need to find the average speed, okay. Student, first I will show you the long method, after that I will tell you the shortest trick for this question, okay. So average speed is again total distance by total time taken, okay. Total distance is what? X plus x. Total time is what? Time is what? Distance upon speed. So x upon, for this portion, x upon speed is 30 plus x upon 20, right? After that you have 2x in the numerator, and here if you simplify it, what you will get? 60 as the LCM for this, and 2 3 are 6, 3x plus 2x, okay. So you can take x as a common, so it becomes 2 divided by 5 into 60. Yes, 5 and 5, 5 and 5, 6, 5 to 20, 12 to 24, okay. So average speed is 24 km per hour, and it is not in the option, so none of these is the correct. Student, there is a shortcut, a trick for this. It is for the return back as well. It is 2uv over u plus v, okay. So just directly substitute. 2u is 30, v is 20, divided by 20 plus 30, 50. So you just cut it down. 5 and 5, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 4 are 24 is the answer, okay. Got it? So with the help of this formula you can do, but this you can only apply if you know the concept, okay. First concept are mandatory, okay. Let's see the next question. Yes, this we have covered, yeah. So this is from the ratio. Let's begin the timer. A very simple one. Okay, time's up. So this is a very simple one. What is the ratio of A and B? A and B is 7:5 and B is to C is 9:11. Okay, you need to find the combined ratio of A is to B is to C. So there are several methods, okay, but I will tell you the simplest one. You make a calculation like this. First, horizontally like this, 7 9 ja 63. Okay, after this cross it, 9 5 ja 45, right? After that 5 into 11 55. Okay, so this option B is the correct answer. And the other way is this: you make this B as a common, so multiply this with 9 and multiply this with 5, you will get the answer. Okay, because you need to make B as a common for both these factors, so with that you can also get the same answer. So option B is the correct answer. A very simple one, but you should know the concept, that is for sure. Okay, let's see the next question. This is a very good one. Let's see who can answer this question. This will take a lot of time, student. If you have time, you can solve it, otherwise ignore such type of question. Okay, time's up. 10 seconds is very short for this question. So what does this question say? There were 1554 students in a school. Okay, so the ratio of boys and girl is 4:3. So whenever you find such a relation, you find the number. Okay, so if you make it, this is 4 plus 3 is 7. Yes, but it's not 7, it's 1554, which is multiplied by 222. Okay, so if you multiply this 222, you will get 1554. So this factor you multiplied with this, so total number of boys are 888 and total number of girls are 666. Okay, after that what happened? 30 girls have joined. Okay, so add 30 and few boys left, so some boys left, let's say X. Okay, so this total become 696 and this become 888 minus X, and the ratio of this is 7:6. So 888 minus X divided by 696, you will get ratio of 7/6. Okay, so what you can do, cut with 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36. Okay, so multiply this with 7. Okay, so you will get 812, right? So 812 equal to 888 minus X, so X will be 888 minus 812. So what you will get? Yes, 76. Okay, so 76, those who have find option D as their answer, they are correct. Okay, let's see the next question. A very simple one from the quadratic equation. Let's begin the timer. A very simple one. Okay, yes, time's up. This is a very simple one. You should not left this question. So you need to find the roots. So for root, you need to make a factor of this 2. What are the factor of 2? 2 and 1. Their sum should be 3 and this should make multiplication as 2. Okay, so what will be the answer? X square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Okay, equal to 0. So further implies x minus 2 minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So you are left with x minus 2 and x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore your factors are x is equal to 1 and 2. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, shall we move to the next question? Okay, this is from the profit and loss. Your time starts now. Time's up, student. You just go to these type of question also. So in this type of question you should do everything in percentage. So this number is not required at all. I will show you how this number is not required at all. So as you know, it has gained 5%. What is 5%? 5% is 5 by 100. 5 by 100 means how much? 1 by 20. So it has gained means, let me write here, if it has 20 rupees, so after gaining 5% he will get 21 rupees. Okay, similarly if he lost 5%, so it will again become 1 by 20, but this time 20 minus 1, 19. So if you have 20, so it will have 19 after losing 5%. Okay, so it is a case of successive multiplication. So 20 into 20 is 400, and 21 into 19 is what? Yes, 399. Okay, and their difference is what? 1. So what is the answer? 1 upon 400 into 100%. Okay, so 100 cancels, so 1 by 4% is the correct answer. So those who have given option C as their answer, they are right. Okay, so you can see, if you know this trick, you can easily crack those questions, right? Let's see the next question. This is from compound interest and simple interest. Time's up. Student, if you go with the traditional method, it will definitely take your 2 minutes. Okay, and in exam, time management is very important. So the shortcut for this question is very simple. So as you know, 5% is what? 5 by 100. It is 1 by 20. So whatever in the denominator, it is for 2 years, you make it 2 years. What is the square of 20? It is 400. So we are going to solve with this tree diagram method. Okay, so we have principal as 400. So for 2 years we will get interest how much? 5%. So what is the 5% of 400? 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 of 400 is what? 20, and again 20. So this first one is a simple interest. Okay, so this portion is your simple interest. So you will get 40 rupees as your simple interest. But we need to find out the difference between we need to find out the sum, but the difference they have given as a 6. So for the next year, compound interest will be what? Again 5% of this 20 is what? 1 rupees. Okay, and this portion is your compound interest, but this is the difference. Okay, this is the difference. So difference they have given 6 rupees, so it becomes 6 multiplied by 6. So your principal also become 6 times, that is 2400. Okay, understood? Student, this one is SI, this one is CI for first year, this one is CI for second year, and this is the CI minus SI. Okay, so option number B, 2400 is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. It is from the mensuration. Let's see who can answer this question. Time's up. So what he is saying, a solid sphere of radius 1 centimeter is melted to convert a wire of length 100 centimeter. The radius of wire is what? So you have one sphere. So it is solid sphere. Okay, it's like a solid ball. You convert into a rod or a wire. So wire will be your cylindrical length, and this one is solid sphere. So student, you should know the formula. What formula? Volume related formula. So the volume of sphere is what? You should know the formula. 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is r given? 1. Okay, so 1 cube. So this is the volume of sphere. It is 4 by 3 pi. So this volume should equal to volume of rod, because it is converted into a wire by melting. but its length is 100. What they have given, length as 100. Radius of wire we need to find out of this wire. Okay, so what is the formula for this cylinder? Yes, pi r square h is height. Okay, so h is what? Pi. R square we need to find out. H is 100. Okay, so pi to pi we get cancelled out. So if you cross multiply it, you will get 4 upon 300 as r square. Okay, so if you take a root, how you should take a root? Root 4 is 2. Okay, and root 3 and root 100 is 10. Okay, so 10 root 3 is equal to r. So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and the value of root 3 they have given as 1.732. On solving you will get answer 0.11 centimeter. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, understood? This spherical volume formula and the cylinder formula you should know. Okay, okay, let's quickly go to the next question, and your time starts now. Okay, time's up. So it is a very simple one. There is a train. Okay, this is a train. This is a train of length 300 meter, which is running at speed of 54 kilometer per hour. Student, this is meter, this is kilometer, unit should be same, so let's convert into meter. It is 5 by 18. I will not go through how this conversion happened. 18 1s are 18, 18 3s are 54, so 5 3s are 15 meter per second we get. Okay, and as you know, it is crossing up telephone pole. Okay, so in how many time it will cross this pole? Okay, so for distance, as this is a very thin pole, so distance will be the length of train and speed you have, and you know the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time, and time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is what? 300 meter, speed is 15, so answer is 20 seconds. Student, in exam you should not do such diagram. You should try to answer from the question itself. Okay, like 300 meter, you know it is a distance. What is the speed? 54. 54 you convert it 5 by 18, you get what? 15. Okay, so after getting, you will get 20 as answer. Okay, shall we move to the next question? Okay, let's begin the timer. Similar type of question has come in the STA-B exam, I guess. Okay, so it is based on allegation, a very simple concept. If you know, if you don't know, I suggest you to see this allegation questions. So what happens? There is a sugar of 12 rupees per kg and a sugar of 7 rupees per kg. What a person does, he mix those sugar. Okay, 12 rupees kg and 7 rupees kg, he mix it and makes it as a 8 rupees kgs. Okay, you need to find out in what ratio they should be mixed to get 8 rupees a kg. As you know, allegation is a very beautiful method. Just extend it. So if you subtract it, what you will get? 12 minus 8 is 4 and 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, so your answer is 1:4. Okay, in 1:4 they should be mixed to get this 8 rupees kg sugar. Okay, you can see you did it very quickly. It is a very simple concept and very beautiful concept where you can find the ratio whenever there is something, two items are mixed to form a single item. Okay, coming to the next question, let's begin the timer. It is from the percentage, and you need to find out the percentage with respect to some other percentage. Okay, so if A salary is 40% less than that of B, what does this mean? 40% mean how much? 40 divided by 100, it comes to be 2 by 5. So this is B salary. So A salary is 40% less than of B, so A salary will be 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, so A salary will be 3 rupees. Okay, so we need to find out how much percentage B salary is more than that of A. So B salary is more than that of A is 2 rupees with respect to A, so A comes downward, and the difference between them is 1, so percentage 1 by 3 into 100, and it comes to be 33 1 by 3%. Okay, let's move to the next question. So it is from the time and work. We can do in various way, but I will tell you the simple way. A can do a piece of work in 30 days, means his efficiency will be 1 upon 30, whereas B can do a work in 40 days, so he can do a work in 40 days, his efficiency will be 1 upon 40, and if they work together, means they will be added, so in how many days they will complete this work. So just simplify it, you will get the answer 120. So it becomes 4, it becomes 3, it becomes 7 by 120 will be their efficiency, and the inverse of efficiency you will get the number of days. 120 upon 7 is what? If you see 7 7 is 49, 7 2 is 14, 15 16, I think this option B is the correct answer. Okay, so other way is also there, but this is simpler one for this case. Okay, let's see the next question. A very good question from the probability. Last CEPTAM question, 2-3 questions have come from probability as well. Let's see this question. So 3 coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting at most 2 heads. Okay, so let's see. Let's first make a sample space of it. So there are 3 coins. So one probability is that all coins have head on the top. Okay, so I will make a sample space. This is very easy. This is tail, 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 then head, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, tail, and at last head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, and head, tail. There is a shortcut as well, but first I will show you the traditional method. So at most 2 means maximum number of heads that can come is 2, so this one is straight away eliminated. At most means minimum it can be 0 or it can be maximum 2. So this one, 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 if you count it, these are 7, and the total number of samples are how many? 8. So option number C is the correct answer. Okay, so this at most key is very important. At most means maximum 2 can be there and minimum 0 can be there, like in this case. The other thing is at most 2 head, you reverse it if you find the probability of containing all the heads. So if you have all the heads, the probability will be 1 by 8, and reverse of that is at most 2 heads, so just reverse it, so we'll get 7 by 8. Okay, this is a shortcut key, but this one also works. Follow. Okay, so that's all students. So we have seen 15 questions, and I hope you have tried to solve the answer, and if you are willing to share your marks with us, you can write in our comment box. We will be very happy to see that. Okay, so in the next video we are going to see Journal English. Okay, and just tell us how you are liking this video. Thank you and have a nice day.